If you're new here, my name is Toby. With so many side hustles, options and opportunities out there, it can be so overwhelming. I have tried a lot. I have had a failed Etsy store. I have had a failed publishing store. I have had several failed side hustles. I had to try a lot of them before I started to win at the ones that I eventually chose. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer idea of what might be the best fit for you. The first step in choosing the right side hustle is to assess your skills. What are you good at? What are the things that you naturally are good at? Are you great at writing, cooking, crafting, organizing, teaching? What are you good at? Assessing your skills, first of all, helps you understand the kind and the right side hustle fit for you. To help you identify your skills, ask yourself these few questions. Number one, what task do you excel at your current role as a mom, or at your job, or in the past jobs that you have done? Where do you excel at? Where do people give you kudos at? What hobbies or activities do you enjoy doing? And what hobbies and activities do you feel confident doing? Now, after you've asked yourself those questions, we're now going to consider your interests. A successful side hustle often combines your skill with something you're passionate about. Think about what excites you, like what do you enjoy doing in your free time? This could be anything from baking to crafting. It could be teaching. It could be crochet. It could be management. It could be time management. It could be financial management. It could be anything. It could be helping others. Okay, think about those things. What are the things that interest you? What do you like to do? Now, you don't have to know how to do it now, but what it interests you? If it interests you, you can learn how to do it. Now, let's put it all together. Now, create a list of your top skills and interests. Then look for an overlap. For example, if you love baking and you love taking pictures, starting a home bakery business and taking pictures to promote it on social media will be a perfect fit. Now, once you have your list, it is now time to research potential side hustle that align with your skills and interests. Here are a few ideas to get you started, and I have written those down. Number one, freelance writing. Freelance writing is perfect for those who love to write and those who have strong language skills. If you love to write and if you have strong language skills, freelance writing is perfect fit for you. Number two, starting an Etsy shop. It is ideal for craftsy moms. Like, you like to crochet, you like to sew, okay? You like making handmade and homemade goods. Etsy is the perfect fit for you. Number three, virtual assistant. Now, it is great for those who have good organization and administrative skills. If you have great organization and administrative skills, being a virtual assistant is perfect fit for you. And you can find those jobs on places like Upwork, okay? Number four, online tutoring. If you love to teach, if you have been a teacher before, or you just have the passion for teaching, online tutoring is perfect fit for you. You can start an online tutoring business and tell people what you're tutoring at and get people to register with you. Or you can use websites like OutSchool to do your online tutoring business. You can also be a tutor on Udemy. Number five, social media management. And this is ideal for those that love social media. You love to take pictures. You love to make videos of yourself and of your children, of your job. Social media management is perfect fit for you. Remember that the goal is to find a side hustle that you enjoy doing, right? Rather than something you have to endure, because that is the way to make it lucrative. Because you would face challenges in your side hustle business. Like, there will be times where you want to just give up. Now, if you're not doing something that you naturally enjoy, it's going to be easy for you to give up and put it aside. Now, some side hustles can be started with little to no investment, and other side hustles require investment. And in coming videos, I'm going to be telling you side hustles that we can start without investment and the ones that require some investment. Okay. Now, as you explore these options, don't be afraid to try different things. Don't be afraid to fail. Like I told you before, I have a failed Etsy store. I have a failed Amazon seller market. I have had failed businesses. So don't be scared to try different methods and don't be afraid to fail. Sometimes it takes a bit of experimenting before you find the perfect fit, and that is okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. Now, before we wrap up, I'd like to hear from you. What skills or interests are you considering for a side hustle? Have you ever been confused on what side hustle to start? Share in the comment section below. I'd love to hear. And let's support each other in this community. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also click the notification bell so you'll be first to get notified when I have a new video. Stay tuned for our next video. I'll see you in the next.